Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Welcome to e-commerce issues and challenges. This is the second topic for this micro-credential course. It is called the Achieving Operational Excellence and Customer Intimacy Enterprise Applications. In this topic, it will be divided into three sections. The first one will be the enterprise systems. The second one will be the supply chain management system. And the last one will be the customer relationship management system. After completing the first section, you should be able to explain how the enterprise system helps businesses achieve the operational excellence. Enterprise system feature a set of integrated software modules and a central database by which business process and functional areas throughout the enterprise can share the data. It is the definition of the enterprise system. And the enterprise system, also known as the Enterprise Resource Planning or ERP. It will collect the data from many divisions of firm for use in nearly all of firm's internal business activities. All the information will enter in one process, immediately available for other processes. Okay, for this diagram, it shows the function of enterprise software to integrate and share the data between the different business functions. So we have four functions here. The finance, accounting, human resource, manufacturing and production, and lastly the sales and marketing. One of the key ideas of the enterprise solution is that there is one company, one database, and not a collection of disconnected databases. So meaning that all the divisions will connect together. The next one will be the enterprise software. It is built around thousands of predefined business processes that reflect the best practices. Under the enterprise software, so we cover all the four divisions that I mentioned before: the finance, accounting, the human resource, manufacturing and production, and sales and marketing. For the finance and accounting, it will include the tax accounting, general ledger, account payable, account receivable, fixed asset, and financial reporting, etc., etc. Okay, everything that related with the finance accounting. And for the human resource, it will include the payroll, personnel administration, time accounting, the workforce planning, travel expense reporting, and everything that covered under the human resource. And the next one, for the manufacturing and production, it will include the procurement, the purchasing, the shipping, the quality control, the product and the production. Okay, and the last one, for the sales and marketing, it will include the order processing contract, pricing, billing, incentive, sales planning, and every items that covered under the sales and marketing. So to implement the firms, okay, to implement it, the firm need to select the function of the system they wish to use and do some mapping of all the processes that they can configure later. Okay, for example, for the enterprise software, we have the for example, we have the Oracle. Some of the example we have, they include in the Amazon, even in YouTube. We call it as enterprise software because they relate all the divisions in a one place. Okay, in a one place. And the last one for the enterprise system is about the business value. What we can get, okay, from the enterprise system. The first one, it will increase the operational efficiency, meaning that all the divisions will work together to make it efficient. They can operate it later. Okay, and number two, it will provide the firm-wide information to support the decision making, to make sure that the management can make the decision faster compared to the traditional method. The third one, it will enable the rapid responses to the customer request for information or product, especially when the customer requests something that they need to they need to maybe some of the question, or maybe they need some feedback. So the organization need to make it faster. And the last one, it will include the analytical tool to evaluate the overall organizational performance, to make sure that our organization is in the right path, to make sure that we can achieve our objective and goals later. Okay, so I think that's all for the first section for this topic. Thank you for watching, and I hope I can see you guys for the next video later. Thank you everyone.